My name is Gerry Rushe. I supported Galway in 1963. I was at my first All-Ireland at the age of 9 or 10. And we lost that one to Dublin. And we lost a lot of them to Dublin. But, you know, we got over that this year. The long wait is over. 90 years. I put out a flag that the long wait was over, and we were photographed with the flag in Dublin. But now we're playing the Archer County, and we would like to rob it. And I've gone on the what do you call that? Archer Thieves. A suitable drink for Galway supporters for the weekend. Should be a great game. In the last 4 games, there was only a point between us. It was a draw. There was penalties, you know. So it's going to be tight with Armagh. But, you know, for my good old friend that was manager of the Galway team when we won 2 in a row, we're thinking we might do it for him. Say a prayer for us. It's a Ford Popular, born the same year as myself and Pat McDonough and Jimmy Noon, 1953. That was the year that the number 1 hit song that time was "How Much Is a Doggy in the Window?" So we're called Doggy Babies, you know. And we've seen a lot of things since 1953, all them 70 years, you know. But and so is this car, you know. So look at an old friend gave it to me years ago, and you know, he knew my age and he knew the age of the car. So you know, we did it up in maroon, and we had it in Dublin a few times. But you know, we were just hoping that it might do this time. But Michael Whelan, our garage man, reckons it will no problem do it. But he said he'd have the lorry behind us just in case of a Tuesday, the Tuesday after the All-Ireland.